Thousands of years, shattered memories, floating up in the sky, asking myself, how do I go home? But when I'm lost, I feel you're guiding me through the darkest of life, hallucinating. Or wasn't I so seeking? Forgotten lands awakening, and this endless spark